Welcome back, everyone. Thanks for tuning in. Al here, making stuff and breaking stuff. So today I have another great tool review for you. It's of the new Ridgid Brushless 18-volt compact hammer drill driver and the 3-speed impact driver kit. Now they have this on sale right now at the Home Depot, going for $199. You get these two for $200, and you also get a free tool or a double pack of batteries. So I got the hammer drill, the impact driver, and four 4-amp hour batteries for $200. So stick around to the end. I have a great review coming up for you. Alright, let's open this bad boy up and see what we got. Okay, so I did have to open it up to get the charger out, to charge the batteries out. But other than that, I haven't opened up anything. I've been dying to do this. Instructions, blah, who needs that? Still all in the plastic. Handle for the hammer drill. Comes with two 4-amp hour batteries and the hardware and a nice bag. I really like this bag. Ridgid. Fully charge the battery. Oh, that's cool. Multiple speeds on the top. 1. Oh, I like that. 2, 3. Alright, we're going to go over all the specs here in just a minute. LED on the bottom. Oh, this one doesn't have the light ring around it. I thought it did. I really like that it has the belt clips on it. That's pretty slick. Because I know when I'm doing stuff, I can just clip it on my side, put the sheetrock up or whatever, pop it up. Alright. The handle for the. Let's pop this on real quick to see how it looks. Yeah, nice. Alright, let's go over the stats of these bad boys real quick. So the hammer drill, this is my very first hammer drill, and my first impressions are I freaking love this thing. We were drilling in some leg bolts into the stump I have here in the garage just to see how deep we could go and what it would do. This thing was the only one that was able to get them out. So it says it has 700 pounds of torque, leading in its class. So this is what makes this so much higher than this one. It has 27,300 impacts per minute, where this one, I believe, is, where'd it go, impacts per minute, 3,500. This is 22,000, no, excuse me, 27,300. Max 2,100 RPMs. One thing I do like about the Ridgid Gen 5, it has a separate button for the light on the bottom here. Close up with that, so you can pull the trigger and do it, or this with your grip. I really like that. I like the torque handle on it much better than the Ryobi one. Seems a little more well built. Easy adjustments on the side. You got the hammer, drill, drive. It says it has 100 adjustable settings on the clutch. Feels like it's a little bit of overkill, but this is metal. I do like that. They say it's 9.25 inches long and at the widest point is 4.92 inches at the widest point here. So this bad boy has been able to sink every single bolt into that log. Very powerful. I like it a lot. Now, for the impact driver. This one, I don't know how I feel about it yet. I'm still using it. 3 adjustable speeds. This bad boy has 2,500 pounds of torque, max 2,700 RPMs, 3,500 impacts per minute. It's 6.61 inches high, 8 inches long across the top, and I didn't get a weight. What is the weight? Weight is 2.8 pounds bare tool with the battery. 4.1. Let's just weigh this one just for the heck of it. .32 pounds. That can't be right. £5 pounds 3 ounces. Why does it say it weighed 8 pounds? That's weird. The website says it weighs 8 pounds. I don't know where they got that number from. Bare tool. I'm just barely touching it. 3 pounds 10 ounces, we'll say. We're gonna go to some footage here of me testing these two out with a, what is it, 1 1/4 inch self-feeding spade bit into my oak stump just to give me an idea, and also sinking in some 8-inch leg bolts. All right, I'm gonna sink this 8-inch leg bolt, no problem. Okay, ready? Let's get it started, and here we go. Go, 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 go. Nice, almost got it flush. Look at that torque on this thing, just ripped my hands apart. Ah. There you go, now that's some freaking torque. Oh. You really got a hand on this bad boy. Alright, there you go. Very impressed with the hammer drill, with the capability of this bad boy. I like it. 1 1/4 inch self-feeding spade bit. Here we go. Put it on high. Alright, back. This is really wet. A wet log, so it's much harder to go through than your standard 2x4. Alright, now I'll attempt to sink in a couple 1/2 inch, 3/8 inch, 8-inch long leg bolts. Bam! Right down. Pull it out. Now watch this thing just jerk my hands. Nice. Drill a couple, got 3-inch screws here, just to give me an idea of this bad boy. Try second gear. down. And if you want to hear first gear, it'll take forever. There you go. Pull them back out. Good screws. Do a couple more. Problem. Let's see what the hammer drill does. Alright, in hammer mode, here we go. That's what I'm talking about. That thing freaking smokes them. Hope you liked that quick little review of the new Ridgid combo pack. Don't forget to pick up these. You also get 2 4-hour amp batteries plus a charger and a free tool or a double pack of batteries. So for $200 I got these 2 and 4 batteries and a charger. Can't beat it. Go check out Home Depot right now. Get yourself some Black Friday deals before they're gone. Don't forget, smash the like button, subscribe. I have tons of great videos coming up. I got the, it's not new, but the new Makita subcompact kit. I picked that up. We're going to be testing that out and showing you the difference. We're going to do a head-to-head Ridgid impact versus the new Ryobi impact. We're going to do a head-to-head for these two. What else? Lots of good stuff. Alright, appreciate you watching. I'll see ya.